wabarakatuh. Uh, I will present about my team project, which is this is the conveyor. The conveyor is have a function to select which is have a good shuttlecock or a bad shuttlecock. Now I will tell about the function, the sensor and the actuator. The first sensor in the sensor have a function to detect the shuttlecock, which is there is shuttlecock or not, and then the second, third, and the fourth sensor is to detect which is shuttlecock is have a good quality or bad quality, and then this sensor you can see in the video. Yeah, the sensor is to detect which is the bad shuttlecock is already rejected by the first actuator or not, and then the last sensor is to detect which is the good shuttlecock is already thrown by the conveyor, and then will active the second actuator to pass to the package. Now the actuator, the first actuator is to reject the bad shuttlecock, and then the second actuator is to pass the good shuttlecock to the package. Now now we will tell about the circuit in this conveyor. This circuit is a comparator that used to compare all the data from the sensor as the input in the PLC. The comparator that we use is IC LM324, which is comparing all the input from the sensor. This one is the IC LM324, and then the actuator, these two actuator, is controlled by this driver. This driver is to control the first actuator and the second actuator to reject and also to push the shuttlecock, which is have a bad quality or good quality. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to the demo. The first demo is this conveyor is detect the good quality shuttlecock. Here we go. Pause. Now the explanation. The first thing is when we are input the good shuttlecock to this sensor, the motor will turn on, and then after it, this good shuttlecock is go to the quality control sensor, which is when the good shuttlecock is detected, the first actuator is dead, and then still go through until go to the packaging. And then the second actuator will push this good shuttlecock to the package. We will try to give a bad quality shuttlecock, and then let's try. This is the good shuttlecock. Okay. Back again to the bad quality shuttlecock. Terus ya Allah. First case. Ya. Masih selain itu, ya kasus pertama. Ini kok ini kan selain itu memang bisa ada. Now we will go to the unpredictable case. In industry, there is a few conditions that unpredictable, because the unpredictable condition in industry will also are used is when we are have the shuttlecock in here, we are good shuttlecock in here, and then before the shuttlecock first finish, and then we are input the another good shuttlecock, the process will stop. Okay, just let's see again. As you can see, and then and it stopped. Okay, and then the second case, which is when we have a good shuttlecock, and then before go through the packaging, we are take it off. So after a few seconds, the buzzer, this is the buzzer, will have a loud sound as the signal of emergency that the system is have something wrong. Let's try. This is the good shuttlecock. And then I take it, in a few seconds, the buzzer will have the emergency sound. Let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see, and then in this conveyor we have start and stop, and then we push the stop and the buzzer will stop sound. Okay, and then we push the start again to make the conveyor function just like the normal. Okay, and then the third case, when we have a bad shuttlecock and we'll take it off before the first actuator reject the bad shuttlecock. Let's try. When we are take it the bad shuttlecock before we you can see the signal emergency also sound just like the before the good shuttlecock, and we take it off just like the before. Let's try. Look at this. When we push the stop, the sound will stop, and then we are press the start again just like before, and the conveyor will start normal just like before. Okay, this is the last case, which is I also tell about the how this conveyor works. As you can see, this conveyor works when we are input the good or the bad shuttlecock just like the video before, and then we'll try to function this conveyor without random step, which is the first thing that we are try go to the second, third, and fourth sensor like this. Okay, as you can see, the conveyor will not have an effect. The first thing that we all see, the first actuator and the second actuator, there is no move. There is no move at all when we are just like this, and also the rejector sensor. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing happen. And the last thing is this second. The second actuator will not have any move or not push anything because there is not the step that we are used before. The first step, the right step, is that we are input in the first sensor just like this. Okay, I will try. Okay, and then we'll work. And then when we are do again the wrong, there is nothing happen. Okay. This case is to help in industry when something unconditionally happen, the system will nothing happen, and the conveyor still have a good function and good system. And this is our project. I hope this project conveyor have a great benefit to industry, and especially to all the members that create this group. I think this is the best that we can do in our team. Thank you so much for the support. Thanks for the Mr. Taufik. And then thank you. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.